I'm looking at the Philips Series 5000 steam iron. This is the DST5040 version. It's got continuous steam, 40G a minute, 200G steam boost, vertical steam and auto shut off. Let's open it up, have a look what we get inside. That's the iron protection. Instructions. That's a bit. Usually these are just warranty and whatever. I tend to find going to the home page better. There's instructions there. It's all visual instructions. An English multilingual. Plug's got a protector on it. Right, I'm going to fill it up and give it a test out, try it out on a shirt and see how it goes. Right, I've now filled it up and it's on. This is the filling there, fairly large hole to fill it through. And I've got a shirt to try out, so let's give it a go. And the first thing I notice is the cable isn't very long. Could have done with that being a bit longer for sure. I mean, my plug's a reasonable amount of distance away, but it's going to mean I'm going to have to move the ironing board over. Yeah, I could have done with a longer cable on it. Seems to be doing a good job and it's gliding easy enough. Also got the spray on there. Don't profess to be the best at ironing, but I've ironed my own clothes since I was a young boy. And I get by. That seems to be doing alright. Now I'm going to finish this off, then come back, see what sort of job it's done, and then give my review. I've now finished the shirt. It's done a good job of it. The steam works well, it glides fairly well over the surface, so that was a good job. It's fairly easy to use. Only issue I had with it really is I thought the lead could do with being a bit longer. It's got the adjustments on it, but I'll go into them in my written review when I've tried everything out properly and given it a good test out. But overall it seems pretty good. It's got the upright steam and the squirt, and that's it.